Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to hang out with me today. So in this video I will be doing this look. It's a Valentine's Day pink glam look. So if you want to find out how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. So let's begin. As you can see, my brows are already done, so we could just jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my favorite primer, the Philosophy The Present Primer. The foundation I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in Deep Amber. I'm doing this using a kabuki type foundation brush. You could use whatever it is that you usually use to apply your foundation, whether it's a foundation brush, a sponge, a beauty sponge, or whatever, your fingers. Now one side is done and I'm on to the other side and the rest of my face. Now I'm just taking a beauty sponge and blending out my hairline. I applied a little bit too much foundation, so I just need to blend it out a little bit more. For concealer, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow concealer in Mahogany. As always, I'm going to link everything in the description below. Now I'm just using my NYX setting spray to damp my sponge in preparation for blending out my concealer. So now I'm just blending out all the areas where I highlighted with the concealer. I just feel like I need a little more concealer right in the colors of the under eye right there. So I'm letting that dry down a little while I blend out the other areas that weren't finished as yet. Now everything's all blended out and looking good. It's time to move on to the next step, and that will be setting my entire face with my Bare Minerals Tinted Mineral Veil. I am not going for that super highlighted look, so I won't be using a lighter powder underneath my eyes to highlight. I'm just going all over with the mineral veil, and that's the thing with makeup. You can make it your own. Once the end result looks good, it doesn't matter. Now it's time for contour. Taking my Real Techniques contour brush, I am using my black Radiance contour palette to just, contour the areas that I want to push back. That will be my cheekbone, around the crown of my forehead. now I am finished with my contour. I am going to add the color to my cheeks, and I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Blush palette. It's very pinky, and that's what I'm going for. So the highlight will be on the pink side, blush is a little bit more pinky. Now using that same palette, I am going in with a fan brush to highlight. And I'm just using my beauty sponge to blend out the highlight. So far so good, it's looking nice. Now to prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion to prep my eyelids. Now for the star of the show, the Storybook's Cosmetics Fairytale Eyeshadow palette, and it's in Little Briar Rose. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. So taking the Spinole, I cannot pronounce that, I'm sorry. Taking Spinole, I am just applying that all over my eyelid as a transition color. Now I am going into Brimm, and that's gonna be to define my outer crease area and also to blend into my crease into that transition color. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you'll see what I'm talking about. Now I'm just really focusing on the outer area, and then I'm gonna just blend into bringing it forward into the crease. And there's gonna be a lot of blending, which is key when you're applying eyeshadow and just applying makeup in general. Now I'm just going back into Spinole, and that's the first color I use, and that's just to fuse the two colors together. You're gonna see me do this a lot, where I go back and forth into the same colors, and that's just to get a uniform look. Now I'm gonna be taking Beauty, and So Fitting is the name. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. That's that color is the star of the show. Now going back into Brimm, I am going back into my crease area again, just to fuse all three colors together, because now I applied a third color, so I have to go back into that color. And like I said, I'm going to be doing this a lot throughout this tutorial. Now I am going to be using Kiss, and that's just gonna be for the innermost area of the eyelid. Again, I'm just going back in and blending. This time I didn't add any more product, I'm just blending everything together. Now I'm going back again into Brimm. Like I said, I'm going to be doing this a lot. It's like when you envision something in your head and you're looking at it and it's not where you want it to be yet. So the depth of the outer corner that I envisioned, I wasn't getting it, so that's why I went back into that color. So now I'm just lining my bottom lid with a black eyeliner. I believe an eyelash went into my eye or something, so that's why my eye look like that. So now I am going to blend out, smoke out the eyeliner, and I'm taking the same color, Brimm, that's the darkest color that I use, to just smoke out my bottom line, lash line. Now I'm going to be taking Enchanted to highlight the tear duct area, like the inner crease of my eyes. Such a beautiful color for that purpose. Now taking my NYX liquid liner, I am going to be lining my top lid. I messed up right there. I'm going to show you guys a trick whenever you're doing eyeliner and mess up. I'm going to show you a trick to fix that. So for you beginners, you know, you're not pros at applying eyeliner, I'm going to show you a little trick to fix it whenever you mess up. Taking the same colors that you use on your lid, you want to go over that area that you messed up with the eyeliner, and you're gonna just put the product right on the spot, as like you can see I'm doing right on the spot where you messed up. And afterwards I am gonna take like a thin liner brush and go over, like I'm actually drawing a line, like you can see here, right here. I am actually drawing a line over, like not on the eyeliner itself, but on, like above it, just to, you know, to clean up. Basically I'm cleaning up the eyeliner because I didn't make a perfect line. So yeah, that's what you want to do. Now I'm just blending out, you know, the shadows that I just reapplied. I'm just fusing back everything together again. So now you can see it's looking good, the line is looking good. You can't tell that I had messed it up. I'm just gonna clean up underneath the eyeshadow to create a precise line, and just to have an overall cleaner look. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone with the same color, Enchanted, from the eyeshadow palette that I used to highlight the inner area. And since it was a little bit too harsh for my brow bone, I'm using the same eyeshadow brush that I used to blend out my crease area, just to fuse all the colors together, including the highlight from my brow bone. And I also went back into Brimm just to, you know, define. Whenever you go back into your eyeshadow and blend out, sometimes you might blend away your outer crease color, so that's why you see me going back in there. Now I'm just highlighting my nose, my forehead, and I'm using the same Naked Flush palette. I'm also contouring my nose because I always forget to do that, so that's why you see I'm doing it last right here. I always forget it. Now onto the lips. I'm using my NYX eyeliner in Espresso to line my lips. Now taking my Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie lip gloss in Maverick, I'm just I apply that to my lips. Now that everything's all done, I am setting my entire face with the NYX with a NYX setting spray. I'll list it in the description. I don't remember exactly which one it was. I almost forgot my mascara. Using the Tarte Lights Camera lashes, I believe. I am just doing my eyelash. I'm not going to be putting on any false eyelashes. I have yet to have good experience with it. I have to try it a couple more times first, but I'm loving my natural lashes. So yeah, that's the finished look. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. you know, comment down below if, you know, what you liked about it, if you like the look, if it's something that you think you're gonna try coming this Valentine's Day. So don't forget to like, you know, if you like it. If you don't like it, you know, there's always a dislike button. But you know, if you like it, like, if you enjoy this type of content, you enjoy what you're seeing, then subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share with someone you think might benefit. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.